In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Shopify eStore. You'll be directed to this page after you've clicked on the Add Product button. This is also the place where you upload your product images and description. You'll also notice that there are some options for you to choose just below the Add Product button. And this is where you can select your own selling channel. Feel free to determine which channels suit you best. By clicking the Payment button, you will notice that Shopify provides you with two different payment methods, which are Shopify Payment and PayPal. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. As you can see in this slide, the Packages option shows which package size you use when you ship your product, as well as the shipping label. In this section, you will need to enter the title, type, and dimensions. Here, you'll need to choose which tax rates should be included in your product's price. Some friendly advice: it's better to build the tax into the price of your product so that people will not have the "I'm paying for the tax" feeling.